Yes, YouTube, good morning and welcome back again. Crazy dumpage for BTC. As we speak, we are at the most critical support of this bull run. If we lose this support level, most likely we will see crazy downside, right? The thing is, we came for sell side liquidity underneath the previous wick on the weekly time frame, as I showed you on my X profile. Give me a follow on X so I can keep you guys updated real time, right? As we speak, we are bouncing at the most critical support level at the moment. I will show you guys later in this video which support level it is, and let's see if we can find a trade, right? Because the market is in extreme fear. What I teach you guys many times is, when this market is in extreme fear, that's usually the biggest opportunity to buy or to find an entry for a long position, right? So guys, smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel, and with that said, guys, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and what you can see is that in November 25 we bounced on the 618, right? We came to this fair value gap here. Actually, I thought it was the 50 line on the 3-day chart, I thought. So let's pull a fib here. The daily. Yeah. So you can see it was the 618. Sorry, excuse me. We retraced the 618. We came to this fair value gap. We filled it, and now we come down, right? So the thing is, we still have one critical support level we need to hold on the weekly time frame, and that's actually this 786 here. That's 70.2k. The thing is now, you can see that the 50-minute becomes bullish as we speak. If we go to the RSI, you can see this bullish divergence, and that's actually a shark fin. That's what you want to see before upside. So we have a fair value gap here, which we bounced off. You can see that we retraced this fair value gap and that we are consolidating now. So usually this is my model. It's called the money printer. We see a shark fin, market structure shift, and then we can expect upside. The thing is, there is still some liquidity underneath this wicks here, right? Sell side liquidity. So there's a possibility that we come for sell side liquidity during the weekly closeout today to eventually rip up, right? That's what I also draw here with this line and post it on my X profile. Again, follow me on X. Guys, patience is the key here. Don't front run this trade, but remember, when the market is in extreme fear, that's usually your sign to look for buy opportunities or trades to go long, right? As we speak, we started a new collaboration with XT. Go to the first link in the description. If you click the first link in the description, you will get an instant VIP level 4 on your trading fees. That means that you get the cheapest fees in the industry, right? Usually I traded on other exchanges, but I found out that there are some things that are a little bit shady that happening at the moment. So I made a decision to switch and to build some trust, because trust and honesty is the most important thing in life and in trading. So guys, I negotiated a serious nice opportunity for you guys to get an instant VIP level 4 status on your trading fees, right? And some crazy deposit bonuses. So go check it out. The first link in the description, XT Exchange, and take advantage of this serious exclusive benefits, right? So again, guys, BTC daily 618, we came for sell side liquidity. There's still a pool of sell side liquidity underneath this wicks here. So expect a liquidity sweep during the weekly closeout today, between 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. In the afternoon, New York time, to eventually catch the ride up, right? We have to wait for confirmation. What I told you guys before is we have already this shark fin and a market structure shift. So there's a possibility that we will see upside from here on. So don't front run this trade, wait for Monday for the market open You know, I'm still expecting a liquidity sweep to the 786 to eventually come for buy side liquidity, right? So they're wrecking this market. They take out as much longs as possible before we see upside. That's a little bit what I'm expecting. So again, guys, you know, I thank you all for watching. Join the Crypto Gainers. Go to cryptoharrisons.com, join it, fill in the form, and you will join a very, very nice private trading group. And with that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.